Just got a mystery package from YouTube directly, and I really don't know what's inside. Actually, I do have a pretty good idea of what could be inside, but let me know in the comments, what do you guys think is inside? Is it a physical copyright strike, or is it something a bit more interesting than that? Now, I know what you're all thinking. Oh, this is probably a YouTube play button. 1 million maybe, but we haven't reached 1 million. 10 million, we haven't reached 10 million either, obviously. So maybe the 100k play button, but I've already received that a few years ago. So okay, what could this be? Well, grab some snacks and let's have a look. Okay, so we have this black box on all sides, which, by the way, is heavily duct taped, so this was sealed like a seal. I gotta trademark that. Now, on the front, we have a YouTube logo, and that's pretty much it, to be honest. Obviously, we had the labels, which I took off, but other than that, just the YouTube logo and just the black box. Opening this up, and we get a letter from Susan Wojcinski, the one and only, hopefully that's how you pronounce your name. Sorry about that if I mispronounce it. She's the CEO of YouTube, and here's what it says. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. Don't want to show off or anything, but it's a bit more than that. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. Hopefully, all of those. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. I hope that as well. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, obviously, unless you get 3 copyright strikes, Susan. And we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with a Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we cannot wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations, you're sincerely Susan Wojcinski, CEO of YouTube. And we also get a mini letter from Rick. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick. So now you all probably know what's inside. It's, you guessed it, the brand new 2nd generation silver play button. Yes, 100k guys, we've done it. About 3 years ago. And we're more than 6 times that, which is crazy, absolutely insane. Now, going back to the award, here's my original one that I got, 3 years ago. Now, the new one is taller, it's also wider, and it's got a completely new design style. So this new one is now made out of a single color, silver, in terms of the frame, and then the silver play button itself is now polished into that frame. But it does look very, very nice. It does look quite modern, bezel design. It looks really nice, I do like it. And then we have the text, presented to Zone of Tech for passing 100,000 subscribers. So how does this compare to the old generation? Well, the old one was a completely different story. So the actual play button itself was a physical metal that was inside this picture frame. Now, the frame itself was not made out of wood, even though it looks like that. It was actually made out of metal. And then we also had the YouTube logo in red, and the message is a bit different. So congratulations for surpassing 100,000 subscribers compared to the one on the new play button. Now, personally, I do like the new one more in terms of the design. I think it's cleaner and more modern, but I do like the old one in terms of the production costs, so to say. So, I don't know, you can definitely tell that the old one was more difficult to manufacture, and the cost was also higher, especially with the individual play button metal, rather than, something that was laser cut into a mold, basically, of frames. So, yeah, the old one was a bit more premium. But yeah, let me know in the comments which one do you guys prefer, which design option. But yeah, the gold play button, which comes at 1 million subscribers, that one now comes in the same design style as well. So if you have the new silver play button, it would match with the gold play one. If you don't, then it's gonna be a bit of a mismatch. I think I do prefer the old gold style as well rather than this new one. And I know YouTube has a lot of issues, but you gotta take a moment and really appreciate YouTube making these awards. It's literally the only social network that does that. Also, the awards are sick, physical awards rather than, an email or something just congratulating you. So yeah, props to YouTube for doing this, and also props to you guys for honestly sticking around. I never got a chance to say thank you for 600k. But yeah, we're way over 600k, 611,000 subscribers. Maybe by the time you're watching this video, it's even higher than that. So yeah, it's actually incredibly crazy to, to think about the fact that 600,000 of you have actually clicked the subscribe button and have decided to become part of the Xenotech community. So yeah, that's crazy. It's been 6 years since I started channel and making these videos, and yeah, thank you. And yeah, all the videos are way more difficult to do than you guys think. There's a lot of stuff happening in the background. Yeah, so yeah, they're not easy to do, and I really appreciate when you guys, you know, watch them and even subscribe. That's obviously even better, and leave a comment. So yeah, I'm working on making the videos even better than before, so you'll see some upgrades pretty soon in the next videos, and I'll do a massive video in January which might feature a setup upgrade, a setup tour, and way more. But yeah, until then, thanks for everything. Hit that bell, guys, if you want to get notified whenever a new video comes out. There's a few of you actually that have said that you haven't got notifications for some of my videos. Also follow on Instagram at Zone of Tech. I've actually redone the whole Instagram page. So yeah, I'm posting behind the scenes stuff, some teasers at upcoming videos. So yeah, everything should be much cleaner and nicer than before. And also follow me on Twitter if you want to see, I know, if you want to read some updates, quick updates on everything on my Twitter page. But yeah, other than that, I'm actually doing the next live stream this Saturday. So I'm doing one live stream every month, every last Saturday of the month. So the next one is this Saturday, the 24th of November at 5 p.m. UK time, or 8 a.m. sorry guys, PST, or 11 a.m. Eastern. Yeah, it is a bit tricky to get the timing right on these live streams, but the good news is that I'm gonna keep it up so you guys can watch it even after the live stream. But if you tune in, you can ask me questions live, and let me know in the comments what topics or what questions do you want us to talk about during the live stream on Saturday, so that I know what to, you know, think about. But yeah, thank you for watching. This has been a really different video to make. Thanks to YouTube again for sending this out. Yeah, I'm Daniel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Xenotech, signing out. Cheers.